Hello, my friends. All right, today is Thursday, which means it's Science Day. And our experiment actually started yesterday with freezing water in a bowl. So I hope everybody did that. Today, we are going to take the bowls out of the freezer and we're going to put our bowls of ice under some hot water so that it can come out of the bowl whole. And as soon as it does that, ta-da! So let's move on over to the table and get started with our activity. All right, for this activity, you're gonna need your ice out of the bowl. Put it onto the tray. You don't need the bowl anymore. You'll need some salt, just regular salt. If you have rock salt at home, that works even better. The whole point is the same concept of the freezing sidewalks outside, and then you put salt on it, and what happens? That's what you're about to experience. And then, because I like color, we're gonna go ahead and do some watercolors. And make sure you have your brush and make sure you have a little bit of water to put into each of these colors. You don't need the bowl of water because we're going to paint the ice. All right, as you can see, as I'm talking, my ice is actually melting, which is exactly what we want. When you have ice and it's warmer, it will begin to melt. And to keep your ice from melting, you can actually put salt on it. Just like this, and listen to what happens. You'll start hearing crackling and popping, and then go ahead and get your paintbrush and start painting it, and you will see how cool your ice will look. An extension of this activity that we would do in the classroom is I actually would have a big white piece of construction paper underneath, so that as it dripped at the beginning, the kids could see the paint dripping onto the paper and the colored water dripping. And then as the salt freezes it again, it will stop dripping onto the paper. Next week, we will be doing another experiment of ice animals. And so just have fun with it. Paint your ice. Listen to it as it starts to thaw. Just pour some more on and see what happens to your ice. It's so cool. You should be hearing the crackling and the popping happen. And then just keep putting your paint on it and paint the ice. This is great for your motor skills in your hand. It is so much fun. Like I said, if you want the extension of this, put a white piece of paper, construction paper under this, and see the colors drip on to the paper. You can either stop putting ice on and it will start dripping again, or do it before you put the salt on. So the kids can actually really see how cool it is of the salt making it freeze again. All right, my friends, there we go. So we have it all painted. You can paint over it and paint over it. This will keep you busy for a while. Have fun until it melts, all right? Parents, you're welcome. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our experiment. I will see you on Zoom. Bye.